I've provided vegan recipes for every day of January for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and I've also included snacks and desserts available to you right now on my blog, realdiethelp.com. I've put the direct link in the description below. What makes these vegan recipes extra special is that I chose them with taste and health in mind. So they are all delicious, nutritious meals that are oil-free, sugar-free, with minimally processed ingredients. So right now I'm on my blog, realdiethelp.com, and I'm gonna scroll down and right here to find the Veganuary pledge, because on this blog post is where you're going to find the recipes and the January calendar. So the Veganuary calendar for 2024. I post blogs once a week. So there might be another post ahead of this, but if for some reason you cannot find what is called the Veganuary pledge, that's the name of the post, you can just scroll down and search the site and just type in pledge and then click go. And it will take you directly to this post and you'll see it here. So just click on it, the name, and then it will take you directly to this blog post. So here it is, and I'm going to scroll down. Here's the original video just to explain what's in it or why I'm doing it. Here's some little videos of what you will find in the menu. Just kind of see it, but still I just want to show you the calendar so that you can know how to use it. So right now it looks kind of weird, so you got to scroll over to January. So right now it's December, so I'm going to hit the blue button. I'm actually going to tap it to bring myself over to January. There I am. So now I'm at January 2024, and I'm going to make this a little bigger so you can see it better. So right now you can see I've got breakfast, lunch, and dinner for every single day of January of 2024. All vegan, all plant-based. And so let's say you want to look at the recipe for January 1st. So you just tap on it, it says breakfast. And there you can see, okay, for breakfast on January 1st is blueberry oatmeal. And right here is a direct link to this recipe. So to find out how to make this recipe, you can click the link, and I'm going to give you another option as well. It's going to load, and then here's the recipe right here, and it has the ingredients and shows you how to make it. Okay, now I'm just going to scroll back to the top so we can go back to the calendar. So I'm going to click on this arrow to the left to go backwards. And then there's a little blue X on the top right corner. So I'm going to click that, which will take me back to the calendar. So I can click any of these. These are buttons. So let's say I go to the 7th, and I'm going to click on breakfast. So on the 7th, it's berry crumble granola. So, and again, I'm going to click the X to get out, a little right X right here. And let's say, I'm going to say, all right, well, what about dessert on the 19th? I click on dessert, pecan pie cookies, and it says leftover. So that means the day before I made it and there's enough for the following day. So another option is you'll see that I'll have like little, say, let's go to January 1st, lunch LD8. So we know that's lunch. LD8, quinoa vegetable soup. You'll see the link. So let's just go ahead and let's say you don't want to use this link right here in the calendar. You can scroll down, or you can pick your own recipes in whatever order you want. So you can just scroll down, and here are all the recipes. So that was something like LD8, I think. So breakfast starts with B. So B1, breakfast 1, B2, breakfast 2. So these are direct links as well. So these are all the breakfast ideas, and you can use any of these breakfasts as a snack or dessert. And again, for these are more desserts, but you can also have these as breakfast, banana bread, popsicles. Sometimes I'll have those for breakfast. So let's scroll down. So you can see there's a lot of options. Oh, you got to try this high raw tofu chopped salad. It's amazing. It may not look appetizing, but it's one of my favorite meals, lunch or dinner. Okay, so here we're going to scroll down, lunch or dinner recipes. So you can have these for either lunch or dinner. And again, there's direct links. So let's say, I think the other one was LD8. Yeah, LD8. So here's the direct link. So I'm going to click it, and you see HTTPS. That's the web link. I'm going to click it. It'll take me directly to that recipe. You've got a photo and the ingredients. Sorry if I'm going too fast. And then it explains exactly how to make it. Okay, so I'm going to scroll back to the top, all the way to the top until you see the arrow on the left. I'm going to click that left arrow, and it will take me back to the blog post. And then I can scroll down and look at all the different recipes. And some of them have videos. A lot of them have videos. And if you have any questions, I have a Q&A on the very bottom. And so that's it. So there you have it, all the recipes that you can access for January for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for Veganuary. And if you have any questions, there's 3 different ways you can contact me. One is on this blog. Oops, I think it's on the bottom. Sorry, I'm going to make you dizzy. I'm going to scroll to the bottom. There should be, oh, here it is. So there is, it says leave a reply. So here you can just, write, I have a question, or my question is, I'm just going to type a question, QUES, question. Okay, and then you can just, it should contact me. So let's say you don't feel like posting a question for everybody to see on this blog. Let's scroll up to the top. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. You can write a question on my YouTube video in the comments below, or if you want the message to be completely private, you can go to my website, which is thehigh5diet.com. I'm typing it in right now, 5diet.com. Click go. And this is where you can order my books, and you can contact me, schedule with me. So right here, I'm just going to show you how to contact me. So these are my books. I have 4 books. This is where you can schedule an appointment for training or a consultation regarding diet, nutrition, disease reversal questions. A couple videos on here just for information. I'm just going to show you where the contact me section is. This is a weightlifting record book, if you're interested in that. Okay, so where is the contact me? It's all the way at the bottom. So you have to look at everything first. And this is where you would put your name. You don't have to put you could just put your first name if you want, your email address so I can respond to you. You don't need to put your phone number, and just what your question is, and then just hit send. And that's it. And then I'll respond to you within 24 hours. So hopefully you'll use this calendar. I put a lot of work into it. These recipes are my favorites. So hopefully you will try the recipes and love them, and please share it with everyone else. Have a wonderful holiday. If it's December, if it's January, Happy New Year. Go to realdiethelp.com and check out the Veganuary recipe calendar now.